Ntanzi, further to the background that we set out to you before the long adjournment, we just wish to refer you to Exhibit U, the statement of Mr. Absalom Zungu.
Ntanzi sithanda ukuqhubeka lapho sishiye khona sikhulume nawe ngestatement lesi sibhaliswe umnumzana Absalom Zungu.
Page on the second page, paragraph 4.
Akasiyeke ekhasini lesibili lalesi statement siye esigabeni sesine.
In the middle of that paragraph, it says, subsequent to that, I was then informed by Sikhumbuzo
phakathi naphakathi sithi okulandela lokho ngaziswa nguSikhumbuzo
that we should go meet the police at the head office, SAPS office in Pretoria.
Ukuthi uthanda ukuthi sihambe siyodibana namaphoyisa ePitoli, ofisini elikhulu lamaphoyisa ePitoli.
Indeed, the police were met and I deposed to the above statement to Colonel Gininda, who was with Sergeant Mukhani.
Was with Sergeant
Mukhani.
Nembala sabangisa khona kuleyo ndawo safika ilapho ke mina ngabhalisa lesi statement ku Colonel Gininda ekanye no Sergeant Mukhani.
In this context, Sikhumbuzo Zungu refers to Constable Zungu, as we see in the preceding sentence.
Come again? In this context?
The name Sikhumbuzo refers to Constable Zungu.
Igama elithi Sikhumbuzo la likhuluma ngophoyisa uZungu.
So, if you don't have any comment, it's fine, but we just want to posit to you that what we've just quoted here accords with the background that we set out to you before the long adjournment.
Engikushoyo nje ngaloko engifundela kona ukuthi kuyahambisana ke nekamva engikuchazele ngalo ngaphambi kokuthi sihlabe ikhefu siyodla ukudla kwasemini. So uma uthanda ukuphawula ungaphawula, uma ungathanda ukuphawula kungekho ongakuphawula ngako kulungile. I'm not sure which one should I comment on.
That's these sentences that I've just quoted.
Le migqa nje engangikufundela yona ngicaphnela yona kulesi statement okwamanje. Ungathanda ukuphawula? I don't think there's any how I can comment.
Okay. Fair enough. If you look at paragraph 3, still on page 2.
Masingabheka ke I-paragraph noma isikhatshana esingaphezulu khona la kuleli khasi lesibili.
Towards the end of that first paragraph, the last two sentences says, Mafika Ntanzi is currently working at a certain mine in Rustenburg.
Kunomuqa la obhalwe ukuthi uMafika Ntanzi okwamanje usebenza emine eRustenburg.
Do you know if your brother, accused number 2, Mr. Mafika Ntanzi, was working at a mine in Rustenburg?
Ngabe unolwazi nalokuthi ke ngabe umfowenu uMafika Ntanzi wayesebenza emine eRustenburg?
Yebo.
Yes.
Yes, so that information is also correct.
Leyo mininingwane iqiniso.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know a person by the name of Ubaba Normally Sibia?
Kukhona yini umuntu omaziyo ngegama uNormally wakwaSibia?
Yes.
Normally.
Yes, normally Sibia.
Normally, is it normal or is it a name?
Normally, N-O-M-A-L-I, normally Sibia.
Or normally, Sibia. Normally, ukwemali. Wakasibi. No.
Do you perhaps know up to which grade or standard your brother accused number 2 progressed at school?
Ngaba unolwazi nalokuthi ke umfowenu lo wafinyelela kusiphi isigaba noma kuliphi ibanga esikoleni?
Angisenalo ulwazi kuphelele ngoba bese mina sengila eMpumalanga.
I no longer have the full information regarding that since I was later than in Mpumalanga.
Do you know a person by the name of Mbongeleni Ntanzi?
Uyamazi umuntu obizwa ngoMbongeleni wakantanzi?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Who is he?
Ungubani lo? Okanye uyini?
Umfowethu oqala oza kuma kungani dance. Oqala kumama wakhe naye.
That one is the first one to Bongani Ntanzi's mother.
And you did confirm that your brother Chidama has had sisters from his mother's side and your mother's side, is that correct?
Usushino ke waqinisa ukuthi ke umfowenu uNtanzi unodade wabo ngasohlangathini likanina luka mama wakhe.
Yes.
And kukhona futhi abanye udade wabo ngapha esihlangathini lika mama wakho.
Yes.
Yes.
And you mentioned in your evidence in chief that the last born from the accused mother's side, it's a girl, is that correct?
Usushilo futhi uma ufakaza kusukela eqaleni ukuthi ogcina ngasohlangathini lika mama kamfowenu intombazana.
Yes.
Yes.
What is her name?
Ubani igama lakhe? Mpumelelo.
And the other sisters, what are their names?
Laba abanye odade ngoba namagama abo.
Osisi kuphela uceliwe.
Only sisters. It's
Yes.
Celiwe.
Yes.
Ngapha ngapha noma ngapha.
On which side now?
Yes, start on accused mother's side.
Asiqale ke ngakumama kaMangalelo.
Yebo, babili.
There are two.
Yes.
Celiwe noPumi.
It's Celiwe and Nompumelelo. Or Mpumelelo.
Yeah.
Yes. And from your mother's side?
And ngakumama wakho ke?
Amantombazane ngicabanga thina sibaningi kakhulu kodwa umama laba abanye bethu akabazali kubaba. Ubazali.
Girls.
Kodwa baba uyedwa uqala.
How to include we are many. But I want to mention that regarding my mother, some of them are not sharing the same father as us. So the one who's sharing the same father with us, my mother's side, is the first one,
Intombazane.
which is a girl.
Mina wesibili.
I'm the second.
Yeah, what is her name?
Ubani
Your
igama lakhe?
sister's name?
Igama likadadewenu lo.
Mantombi.
Mantombi.
Yes. Do you have other sisters that come after you?
Unabo abanye udadewenu abakulamayo.
Umama ubazala engxenye kwenye indawo.
They are sharing they have their own father.
All right. We'll just leave it at that. You mentioned that Mpumelelo is the last born from the accused number 2's mother's side, is that correct?
Utheka umpumelelo ogcina.
Yes.
Uthunjani? Uyena ogcina ngasohlangathini lika Mangalelwa.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's not correct that accused number 2 is the last born on his mother's side.
Okay, kakulona iqiniso ukuthi ke umangalelo wesibili uyena wokugcina ngasohlangothini lukamamake. Akulona iqiniso ukuthi owokugcina uthunjane uyena umangalelo wesibili.
Uyintombazane yokugcina.
Tela-
Yokugcina emafaneni yena.
The last born on the females, it's a female last born, but concerning the male gender, he is the last born.
When did you learn of the arrest of accused number 2, your brother?
Wazinini ngokuboshwa komangalelo wesibili umfweni? Ukwazinini?
Mina.
Oh, hayi.
Yes.
Yep.
Angisazi ukuthi kwangayo ngokumina uba ngangisekelelo.
I can't remember when it was, but I was in Emelo.
Do you know of one Mr. Gwabeni Sifiso Zungu?
Uyamazi uGwabeni Sifiso wakwaZungu?
Cha.
No.
Thank you, my lord. That will be all. Thanks.
The end of this evidence, eh?
Because I don't know if there's any re-examination.
Any re-exam?
As the court insists, my lord, I do not have any clarification questions for the witness.
Umebuzwa ke ummeli wakhe umangalelo wesibili ukuthi khona imivuka anayo yini imibuzo evukayo uthi akukho athanda ukucacisa ukukubuza.
Yeah. At the end of the roll now.
I don't know if the defense has got another witness for today.
As the court insists, my lord, we do not have any other witness lined up for today nor for tomorrow, my lord. We have arranged a witness that was supposed to come tomorrow, but because of work-related interview and the like, he suggested that we roll him over to Monday, my lord.
Where does he come from?
He's from Rustenburg, my lord.
Oh, I see.
Umebuzwa ke ummeli ukuthi ke ngabe ke kwanamhlanje bokhona abanye ofakazi thakabekho abanye ofakazi bangafakaza namhlanje. Bayikhona umfakazi owayemela afakaze kusasa kodwa ke ngenxa ukuthi kusamele kuxoxisane naye ngaphambi kokuthi afakaze. Ba nesiphakamiso sokuthi akuqhutshekwe ngomsombuluko.
So you've agreed on the date?
Monday's date is the 11th of May, right? I don't think we have any choice in the matter.
Is that so?
And further, my lord, may just praise his lordship about future witnesses, my lord. My lord, we have engaged with our learned colleagues from the state to assist us with certain witnesses that are police officers regarding the issuing of subpoenas of those witnesses. We are going to consult with those witnesses today, this afternoon. Should they be amenable to come and testify way before the 14-day period mentioned in the subpoena, we'll be glad to squeeze them next week as well, my lord. And from there we will temporarily close the case for accused number 2 pending other evidence that we are still pursuing, and I can be open with the court with Capitec, for example, that they haven't still come back to us, and maybe then I can approach the court for an order that somebody from Capitec come and testify regarding the account of accused number 2.
Ya umelo wakho mangalo lesibili bezisa inkantolo nje kafushane ukuthi ke
Yeah.
kukhona abanye ufakazi abangamaphoyisa azothanda ukuthi axoxisane nabo kusasa uma kuzovumeleka ke ukuthi ke bafakaze bangathanda ukuthi umshushisi abasize ngokuthi banikeze incwadi ezibabizele enkantolo sekuzobonakala khona ukuthi bangakwazi yini ukuthi bafakwe ukuthi ivikezayo bafakaze sekuzobonakala khona kodwa ke uma ufakazi bakho bangaphelele uzocela ukuthi ke udaba lwakho lumiswe kancane lokuthula kobufakazi iphinde ke kuvuselelwe futhi ukuthi kubizwe ufakazi.
Okay, so we are adjourned until Monday then.
Yes, the date will be the 11th.
The 11th.
Yes.
Till the 11th then.
Lokho ke futhi sobuya ngomsombuluko ngomhla zing11 kuMay madoda.